Hazel Eyes? Let's choose your best eyeshadow shades. Lucky you, because hazel eyes are actually a cross between green eyes and brown eyes, so you get a double palette. First step in choosing your best eyeshadow colors is to look up closely at your eye color. Get one of those mirrors, like a 10x mirror, and be careful with those, and look at your eye color and see what colors you can pull out of your eyes. If you have hazel eyes, you're gonna have, I'm betting, green, gold, browns inside your eyes. So let's pull those shadows out for the most natural look. But let's add purple for some pop, because that's a good harmonious look also. So hazel eyes, green, browns, golds, purples, harmonious natural look. But let's get more precise. Let's lean into whether you are a cool skin tone or a warm skin tone, and let's see where we can go with that. So for the most natural look with a cooler skin tone, let's choose cooler browns and cooler bluer greens, and perhaps, well, we'll get to the purples in a minute. So here we have, let's see, let's use something such as a pale pink blush type of highlighter under the brow or on the lid. And then how about, I'm looking at what I did next, cobblestone, a pale plummy brown, great transition color or lid color. How about soft touch for a mid-tone, soft cool brown. We have suede and sable, deeper brown tones, but in the cooler brown tones, and silver taupe, and then envy and pine, cool skin tones. If you have a warm skin tone, lean into that warmth, lean into those golds. So look at pashmina, a yummy, warm, beige highlighter to open up the eyes or on the lids. And where am I? Hang on. Okay. Oh, peach and or celestial, a warm peachy copperish golden color to bring out your hazel eyes. How about charmer and golden glam and copper? What about sandstone for a nice mid-tone brown, and hot cocoa for your deeper brown, and then celery for a light brightness to your eyes to bring out the green, or olive, a really warm, beautiful olive green. Perfect. You haven't forgotten your purples, have you? So here's our hazel eye. I put some green and a swatch of brown and a swatch of gold to represent your hazel eye. And here are your purples. Look at that contrast, that pop. I love that. So lavender silver, great highlighter, great lid color, great highlighter for everywhere on the face. Brilliant color. And then eggplant is a matte, warmish purple, very good neutral everyday purple actually. And then port is a wonderful accent color in the crease or in the corner. It's almost a burgundy brown. And then misty, red plum, and then red plum is actually the next color. Gotta wear your purples with hazel eyes. So there you have it, your most complimentary shades. Now go and watch the green and the brown eye tutorials for more details. And also, be sure to DM or message me for color coaching if you're just unsure.